leap forward. But now you have Blu-ray high definition. Now you're even closer to the action. Closer to the laughter. Closer to the chaos. With Blu-ray, you're not only experiencing the best possible high-definition picture and sound, but Blu-ray even makes standard DVDs look their best. And there's more. Blu-ray offers new interactive ways to explore your favorite films without ever having to leave the movie. Check out footage you've never seen before. And now express yourself with Warner Bros. BD Live, in which your BD Live-enabled Blu-ray player becomes an interactive gateway to the internet. Create your own picture-in-picture commentary and share it with friends. Have a chance to participate in on-screen chats with the director and stars in the comfort of your living room during a virtual screening. Rate your favorite trailers. Uncover exclusive sneak peeks of upcoming movies. You're closer now. Closer to the movie. Closer to the feeling. Blu-ray high definition. Simply the best way to watch movies at home ever.